Hello. What is sour orange sweet scratch? Sour orange, I mean a grapefruit and sugar scrub. So grapefruit sugar scrub. You will need the grapefruit peel. Let it dry. Again, if it's hard, and that's how you like it. That's how it should be. It's supposed to crumble. Yes, stomp on that. Ugh. Like the past. And then make it through the grinder. I think my grinder broke right there. It was tough. So make it powder. I had to get another one. Always use a recyclable glass container, and that is vitamin E oil. And if you don't have that, it's awesome to use sunflower seed oil. Smells so good. That's good for cooking too. Oh, and that's sugar, because yeah, you need some, because you sour. Because life is hard, so you need some sugar. I added a lot. And then some vitamin E. Go for it, all of it, or mix whatever you see. You're not allergic. Again, I'm not a doctor. You do you. It's your body. Suggestion what you can do. Whoa, I think okay, this one has a lot of sugar in it. It's all good. We have a video how to fix how to fix it. It's called Sweet Discipline. Oh. It looks like that, and then you mix it really good. You add the liquids, and seriously, scrub for your face, for your hands, your feet, them calluses over there, take those those sneakers off, Some people have when they take their shoes off, they still have boots on. Like, that's hard. That will help. And I added corn flour to it, just because. And oh, when you scrub it, you're like, ouch, but it feels good afterwards. Take all that dust off and everything, and it smells good. And I put mine in the fridge. The oils in the actual powder, in the peel, they're so good. You'll check it out. I'm not gonna tell you and be like, you find out and choose to do this or not. Show me yours. Your scrub, nothing else. Bad. I mixed it, I think. Yeah, that's when I added some corn powder, corn flour. Same thing, right? Why is it flour and powder, and what's the other? Isn't that the same thing? Okay, now we look like this. Now we're back. Welcome back. See, a little bit of exercise. And always put a name on it to know what it is. That was tough because the jar was a little off. So I said, alright, you want to play now? Okay, I got you. I had to cut in here and there, and I got you. So when you use it, you can mix it before, because the oil's gonna come up and everything's gonna be all staying there. We're friends and you can sit with us. Nah. So you gotta mix it. And using the bathtub after a bad long day. That's it. Maybe essential oil. You can add some, I don't know, peppermint. What would go good with it? I don't know. Tell me if you figured something else. Okay. Bye!